What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scrape TikTok influencers and send them personalized outreach emails by creating a simple workflow in N8N. So let's get started. To scrape TikTok influencers, I'm going to use this tool called Apify. Apify is an incredible tool that you can use to scrape any website and automate projects. So create an account on Apify, and after creating an account on Apify, head over to Apify store. Here we're going to search for the website that we like to scrape. In our case, we like to scrape TikTok. And since we like to send our influencers that we're going to scrape from TikTok and outreach emails, yeah, we can scrape influencers with their emails already available. So I'll search for TikTok email scraper. Then here I'll click on search. And here you can see the various tools that we can use to scrape emails from our influencers in TikTok. So you can choose to use either of these tools. So I'll open this tool on a new tab. This is the tool that we're going to use to scrape TikTok profiles. The only thing you have to do here is add a search keyword and then add the number of profiles that you'd like to scrape. So here, for example, or search term, I'm going to use marketing. You can choose to scrape 25 profiles. And here I'm going to click on start. Here, we can see that our tool succeeded in scraping 5 profiles from TikTok using our marketing keyword. Here, we got the email addresses, the keyword, the description of the account, the title, and their page URL over here, which is awesome. Now to get these profiles in our workflow, N8N, here, I'm going to click on API right here. Then down below, I'm going to scroll where it says get dataset items, then copy this link. Then in our workflow, I'm going to search for the HTTP request node. Click on this node and paste the URL over here. You just copy it and click on test tab. Now here you can see the TikTok profiles that we just scraped. Over here is the keyword, here are the email addresses, here's the title, TikTok, the page URL, and the description in the pages over here. You can see some of them are influencers over here. They have a huge following over here. This is awesome. So these are actual influencers in the marketing niche. Now here, instead of having to add our dataset ID over here manually, we can choose to scrape our influencers in our workflow. Instead of having to scrape them using our tool over here and copying the dataset ID and coming and pasting it over here. To scrape our influencers from our workflow, I'll open the Apify documentation, and here I'll find the API that I would like to call. So I'll scroll down below where it says run actor synchronously with input and get dataset items. Here I'll copy this URL over here, then go back to our workflow, and then I'll open this node over here. Then here I'll delete this URL and then click on import URL and paste our URL over here, and click on import. Now we'll add our actor ID over here, our API token over here, and our JSON down below over here. Let us start by adding our actor ID over here. To find your actor ID, go back to your tool, and then click on your tool over here. Then in the search URL, copy the unique ID of this tool, copy it, and come back to your workflow, paste the unique ID over here. The next thing we're going to do here is we're going to paste our API token over here. So I'll click on expression, can expand this over here, and then here's where we're going to add our API token. To get our API token, go back to our tool, and click on settings, and click on API integration. Here, click on create a new token, give it a name, then click on create over here. Since I had already created a token, I'm going to copy it, the one that I've renamed test, and then I'll paste it over here. Then here, go back to converse. And lastly, we're going to add our JSON over here. So on the specify body, I'm going to click on using JSON. And here we're going to add our JSON. To get our JSON, I'll go back to our tool where it says manual and JSON, click on JSON. And here I'm going to copy our JSON over here. So I'll copy it. Then I'll go back to our workflow and paste our JSON right here. So here we're scraping 5 TikTok influencers. Now to scrape the influencers, I'm going to click on test tab. You can see it's executing our node. I'm going to go to our tool and click on run. You can see we are running our tool in Apify from our workflow over here. Let's give it a second. You can see here we scrape the TikTok profiles using the keyword marketing. Here are the emails, title, TikTok, page URL, and the description over here. Click on back to canvas, and here I'll rename this to TikTok influencers scraper. Then here I'm going to click on rename. Since we have the email addresses over here and the description, we can write a personalized first line to our influencers that we're going to use to send them outreach emails. So I'll click on back to Converse, and now to generate a personalized first line, I'm going to use AI. So I'll search for OpenAI right here and click on OpenAI. Then here I'm going to click on message a model node. Here, you'll need to create your credential. Clicking on create a new credential from your OpenAI API, add your API key right here, then click on save to create your credential. Then here we're going to choose a model. Here we're going to choose say GPT 3.5 Turbo. And here we're going to add the prompt for the system role. The prompt for the system role could be the lens of you're an intelligent writing assistant. Now to add the prompt for the user role, I'll click on add a message, and here I'll click on expression, expand it right here. So we can add the prompt for the user role. Prompt for the user role could be on the lines of generate a personalized, intriguing, and captivating first line for a cold email based on the leads, TikTok description data, and TikTok URL from TikTok. And here we're adding the TikTok description and the TikTok URL of our influencers. The first line should be engaging, relevant, and complementary, designed to hook the lead into reading further without being pushy or salesy. Then here we're outlining a couple of rules for the AI to follow. We're telling the AI to output only the first line with no explanation or additional text. We're also telling the AI do not include suggestions or placeholders like mention a specific property type or service in the output. The output should be a fully written, personalized first line based on the TikTok content. We're also telling the AI do not include quotation marks around the first line. Here. Now to generate a personalized first line for influencers, I'm going to click on test step. Here you can see it generated for us 5 incredibly personalized first lines that we can use in our outreach email. The first one is on the lines of impressed by your captivating tech and camera content on TikTok. I couldn't resist reaching out to learn more about your creative process. That's incredible. The other one is on the lines of your TikTok content on content strategies and lifestyle marketing is truly inspiring, showing that creativity knows no bounds. That's awesome. The other one is on the lines of hi Anvi, your bit-sized marketing insights on TikTok are a game changer. That's awesome. The other one is on the lines of your TikTok content exudes creativity and flair, capturing the essence of modern marketing in a captivating light. So the last one is on the lines of with a devoted following and innovative marketing prowess, your TikTok channel is a standout in the digital landscape. It's incredible. You can choose to output the content as a JSON right here. Click on test step again. You can see after we regenerated our first lines again to give us this personalized first line, we wanted to output our content as a JSON. So the first line for our first is on the lines of your captivating tech and camera content on TikTok has caught our eye. It's awesome. The other one is on the lines of your TikTok content and strategies for business growth. Really inspiring. It's awesome. The other one is on the lines of hi Anvi, your besides marketing ideas on TikTok are pure gold. Awesome. The fourth one is on the lines of impressed by your captivating TikTok content list. It's awesome. The last one is on the lines of your marketing mastery. TikTok has us captivated. That's awesome. So those are incredibly personalized first lines that we can use in our outreach. So I rename these two and then click on rename. Now since we have our leads data that we scraped from Apify over here, and the personalized first line that we generated over here, we can proceed to add our leads to a spreadsheet. Google Sheet, I've created a spreadsheet that I've renamed to TikTok leads spreadsheet. In the spreadsheet, I've created the sheet that I've renamed to TikTok leads. This is the sheet that we're going to add our influencers data. We're going to add the keyword, title, email, personalized first line, and the TikTok URL over here. So in our workflow, I'm going to search for Google Sheet. Click on Google Sheets. Here I'll click on append row in a sheet node. Like we did with the OpenAI, you'll also need to create a new credential right here by clicking on create a new credential and click on sign in into your Google account. And then on the new window that pops up, shows the account that you like to connect to N8N. And then your credential will be created. Since I had already created my credential, I'm going to close this, choose my credential here. And then here I'll choose our document, choose this spreadsheet. Here I'm going to choose our sheet, which is this TikTok leads sheet. And here we're going to add values to our column, our spreadsheet, with the data that was scraped in Apify. So for the keywords, I'm going to drag the keyword right here. The title, drag the title right here. The emails, I'm going to drag the email addresses over here. For the personalized line, I'm going to drag the personalized first line over here. And then for the TikTok URL, I'm going to drag the TikTok URL over here. Our first line over here should be this content. Now to add this data to a spreadsheet, I'm going to click on test step. Here you can see we added our leads data to a spreadsheet over here. We added the keyword, title, for influencers, the email address, the TikTok URL page, and the personalized first line that we generated using OpenAI. So here I'll rename this to leads data, then click on rename. When our spreadsheet, you can see our list data that we added over here. We added the keyword, title, email address, and the personalized first line that we generated for each of our influencers over here. With over 26K dedicated followers engaging TikTok content truly shines a list. So very personalized. We also added their TikTok page URL over here with their email address and the personalized first line. We can proceed to send our leads an outreach email. To send our leads an outreach email, I'm going to use this tool called Lemlist. So I'll search for Lemlist over here. Then on Lemlist, I'm going to click on create a lead. Like we did with other nodes, you'll also need to create a credential over here by clicking on create a new credential. Then from Lemlist, add your API key over here. Creating an account in Lemlist, to get your API key, click on integrations. Then here, click on generate to generate your API key. Give it a name, then click on create a key. After creating your key, copy it. Then come and add the API key right here. Then click on save to create your credential. In Lemlist, I've created a campaign that I've renamed to Dennis campaign. I've created an email sequence. The emails that we're going to send our leads. One day later, we're going to send a follow-up email to these leads if they wouldn't have replied to our first email. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add our leads right here so we can send them the outreach emails. To add the leads to our campaign, in our workflow, choose our campaign right here, then add the email addresses over here. You can also add more fields like the company name, company domain, the icebreaker, and choose to add the icebreaker right here, and add the personalized first line that we added to our spreadsheet. You can also choose to add more fields like the LinkedIn URL, phone number, to add the leads to our campaign. So after you've added the fields over here, you can come and map the fields with the client's data that we scraped from TikTok over here. Then to add our leads, our 5 leads to our campaign in Lemlist, I'm going to click on test step. You can see it's executing our node right here. So you can see we added our leads in Lemlist right here. Using our workflow, yeah, I'll rename our node to add leads to Lemlist. Then click on rename over here. Now in Lemlist, you can see we added our leads over here. Here we added the names, email addresses, and the personalized first line that we generated using our workflow. Now to launch our outreach emails to our leads, I'm going to click on launch over here. We added a personalized first line for each of our lead over here. And I click on sequence. Now first email, we can add a space over here. Then click on launch. You can see now our emails are well formatted. So for each of our lead, we added the personalized first line over here, which is awesome. So this is the first email that we're going to send them. And one day later, we're going to send them the second email over here for each of our lead. Now to launch this campaign, I'm going to click on launch for 4 leads right here. Here you can verify the campaign details. So the lead that will be contacted at 5. Time between sending an email to each lead is 20 minutes. So after we send first email to a lead, we're going to wait 20 minutes to send the second email to a second lead. Campaign stops for lead who replies. And here you'll see the sending schedule. We're sending our outreach emails from Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. It was good. And you'd like to launch the campaign, just click on launch for the 5 leads over here. And your outreach emails will be sent to your influencers on autopilot. So our workflow works perfectly. Now let us test it once again to view how our workflow works. So I'll open this node. Now instead of the marketing niche, we can send outreach emails for influencers in the beauty niche. Click on back to canvas. Now to test our workflow, I'll click on test workflow. Our workflow was executed successfully. Here we scraped 5 influencers in the beauty niche with the emails already available. Here's a keyword, here are the email addresses, title, the TikTok page URL, and the description right here. And we generated 5 personalized first line for each of our influencer. The first personalized first line we generated for our influencer that would like to send outreach emails to is on the lines of your skin and makeup tips in TikTok are truly mesmerizing. It's awesome. Second one is on the lines of excited to discover your radiant beauty journey on TikTok. Awesome. Fourth one is on the lines of hi Haley, your creative flair for makeup and skincare in TikTok is truly captivating. Very personalized first line. Then we went ahead and added them to our spreadsheet. When we open our spreadsheet, you can see the leads that we added right here. So the keyword was beauty. Here are their title, email addresses, the personalized first line that we generated for each of our lead, and their TikTok URL page. Then after adding them to our spreadsheet, we added them to our campaign in list. In our lead list, you can see we added an additional 5 more leads over here. These are the influencers that we added from the beauty niche that we like to reach out to. Now to launch our campaign, just click on launch over here. And here you'll see the leads that we are going to send outreach emails to. For each and every single lead, you can see we added a personalized first line. Then 1 day later, we're going to send them this follow-up email if they wouldn't have replied to our first email. Launch these outreach emails to our leads. Click on launch for 10 leads. Verify the campaign details if everything looks perfect. And then if everything is okay, click on launch campaign for 10 leads to launch your campaign. And now your leads will be sent these outreach emails on autopilot right here in Lemlist using our workflow that we created right here in N8N. Here, we are scraping TikTok influencers using Apify. The influencers already have the email addresses. Then we're using their description to generate personalized first lines. We're going to use in our outreach emails to our influencers. Then we are adding our lead data in the personalized first line to a spreadsheet right here. So in the spreadsheet, we're adding the keyword, title, email, personalized first line, and the TikTok URL page. Then we are adding them to a campaign on Lemlist to send them outreach emails. Now in Lemlist, you can see the email sequences that we're going to send our leads. So the first email, this is the follow-up email. Lead list, here's where we're adding our leads. We're adding the names, email addresses, and the first line that we generated using our work. To launch the campaign, click on launch over here. Verify if the emails are okay. Then to launch the campaign, click on launch for the 10 leads. Verify if the campaign details are okay. If everything is fine, click on launch campaign for the 10 leads to launch this campaign to our influencers. Now, if you have a workflow or an AI agent that you'd like for me to create using N8N, just comment down below in the comment section. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.